So this is a shop light that's gone bad, and I'm going to attempt to replace the ballast with this one. I'll put the link to the site where I got this. If anybody else wants to do this, it's pretty easy. I jotted down a schematic for the ballast. This is the old hookup, and the way that's hooked up is you have the black and white wires coming in the green ground, black going to the switch and then into the ballast, and then you have the white wire running all the way down to one end of the lights, and there's a jumper, and then you have the yellow and the blue wire rather, feeding into the other end of the light, and then on this end you have the red and the blue wire. This is the new schematic. It's slightly different. You have the black, green, ground, and white wires, and the black and the white feed right into the ballast, and then on the light end you have the red and the blue, like the other ballast has, but then you have the yellow splitting off going to the outsides and one yellow going to the inside of the light. So it's slightly different. So we'll go ahead and install it like the schematic. The schematic you'll find right on the ballast itself, right there. There's tabs you push in, and that frees up these things. I need a screwdriver. To remove the wires, I snapped the back cover off that just is held by clips. I could push this thing. I wonder if there's a way to remove them without taking it apart. It does not look like it. There. And the cover just should snap right back together again. This is to save wire nuts. If you didn't want to do this step, you could just cut the wires and wire nut them together. This side I'm just going to cut the wires, because then I only got 2 yellows. Then I could wire these together with 1 yellow wire. Since this part is junk, we'll cut it close. Hate that kind of wire. Just press that in place. Red, red. I'm putting the outside, actually, yeah, the outside one I'm putting on the outside of this. I don't think it matters, but I reversed it. That was red and blue over that side, but since this side had a jumper, I reversed it. I got a drill bit, and I marked where the hole should be. I'm just going to drill that out. Drill it right between my fingers. Wire connectors. Open it. These even. Give it a good tug to make sure they're connected very well. This puts a little nick in there, but it's up higher. Put this on top of these wires. One seems better underneath. Use a lot of extra wire just because you might break the end and then have to cut off another piece. And and had a burr, so it was hard to pull that plastic off. There, that looks good. Okay, check our schematic. Black and white to power, ground. Two reds, two blues. And yellow to the inside and yellow to the outside. That's it. Plug it in the moment of truth. It works. And it's quiet.